Hi everyone, this is Ibrahim Babatunde from Data Tech Analytics. In this video, we are going to extract initial from all these names we have here. For instance, if you look at this, we have Ibrahim Babatunde Nasir, and the initial here will now be hi, B for Babatunde, and N for Nasiru. As you can see it, this is the initial. This is what we want to extract. Then how can we achieve this? Uh, Before the advent of some functions we are going to use in this video, you have to swept before you can do this kind of things. But with all these recent functions introduced by Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Excel, the life will be very easier for all Microsoft Excel users. Okay, I'm going to use two methods. It depends on which one you prefer to achieve or to solve this problem. The first method has to do with regex. Okay, that is regex stand for regular expression. And what kind of regex we are going to use here? I'm going to make use of regex replace. Okay, I want to replace something, and what is that thing we want to replace? Okay, we this is a text. You click on this text as we have it here, then you put comma. Then what is the pattern? The pattern I need here is that, okay, what are the things, okay, that I want to replace? That is the pattern that we need here. Okay, and you have to start with this. You put your comma here, sorry, quotation. Once you put the quotation here, then my pattern I want to replace is anything that has to do with A to Z. Okay, A to Z, and mind you, this has to do with small letter A to Z, small alphabet. Okay, we close this, but before we close it, because so that it will pick everything. Okay, we have to do something. I have to introduce plus in front of this so that it will not pick just single thing. Okay, plus I put plus here. As you can see it, I've put plus. This plus indicates that anything that has to do with a small letter, I want you to replace it. Okay, then replace with what? I want you to replace it with dots. Okay, with dots. That's the implication here. You replace it with dot. This is what I have here. This means that if I did not put this plus, it's going to replace the first thing. Okay, so that you can understand this further, let me remove uh let me remove this first. Let me remove this. Let me remove this plus so that you can see what will happen. Okay, then let's close this. Let's press enter button. You can see what I have. Can you see what I have now? It's just replace everything with dot. Okay, every single letter, small alphabet. Okay, small letter we have here like B, R, A, it replaces them with dot. But this is not what we want, and that is where this plus will come in. Once you introduce this plus, okay, and you will enter, you can see what I have now. I have this now as high B dot now 0. You can see that all the necessary I have here is in capital letter. Okay, as a result of that, it cannot replace anything, and I need to extract this n as well. Then what can we do? That is where another function will come into play. As a result of that, I have to use one function that can convert everything, that can initialize each of these name with capital letter and other will be in small letter. And what is that function? We call it proper. Like we have proper case, proper like this. Okay, and we have to close this parenthesis like this. You can see what I have here now. Once you press enter button now, you can see that I have my result. Can you see it? Okay, I simplify this so that you can know the reason for each of these function and each of these characters like a plus that we use. And I hope that next time that you want to solve this kind of problem, then you know what to do, or even if you want to transfer this knowledge to solve another similar problem. Now, once we autofill this down, we have result for others. As you can see it, As simple as this. Iman, MA Ibrahim Moise Adedayo, Masida Ibrahim Adedoyin, you can see it. We have it for all of them and everything is constant. Even if they mistakenly write anything in small letter, if they initialize anything with small letter, then this proper function is going to take care of it. This is the first method of solving this problem. Another method of solving it is to just come here and say equal to is also when you are making use of Microsoft Excel 365. Okay, that is when you can also use this. It's text split. I want to split this text now. I will just click on it, text split. Then what I want to split? I want to split all these text. Okay, then what is delimiter there? My delimiter is space. We use space as our delimiter and you have to quote it. Don't forget to do that. Okay, and you close this, you press enter button. You can see I'll be able to split it now to different cells or different column. Ibrahim Babatunde Nesu, you can see all of them are in different column. But now what I want to do here, you will now use another function, okay, which you can use to extract each of these guy. Okay, and what is that function? We call it left. You can see all of them are in the left. I will just introduce another function called left. Left here, then left of all this, you put comma here. Then how many character do you want to take from all this guy? I did single character one. You click on this one, then you close your parenthesis, you press letter. You can see that I have it now. IBN. You can see as I have it here. But the problem we have here is that it split them into different columns. But I don't want them to be in different columns. I want them to be like this in single cell like this. How are we going to do that? Okay, I will now introduce another function in front of this left here. We call it text join. Okay, text join. I want to join them together. Okay, then here, what will be my delimiter? Delimiter I use here is dot. Okay, then I'll say ignore empty to command. Okay, then I will now put okay, have I put delimiter? No, I have not put delimiter, sorry. This excuse me, backspace. Okay, I have this now. Okay, this is text join one. Okay, I have to close this. I mean, sorry, what is the problem here? Delimiter. Okay, text join. I want to join everything together. This is what I have before. I want to join all these guys. Then my delimiter here. Okay, I will come inside this. You just put command. Oh, sorry, something is mixing. Let me see. Delimiter. Okay, delimiter come first. Sorry, after the text. Delimiter come first from this argument. Okay, that is where I'm getting it wrong. Then this one will now be dot. You put dot here. Dot is our delimiter. Okay, then I put comma. You put comma. Comma, then I need it to be true, ignore empty, true here. Another command after the truth, close this. After the truth, another command. Okay, and these are the text that I need to put together. Then I press enter button. Enter button. You can see that I have all of them together now. IBN. You can see what we have is similar to this, but the only problem is that I don't have this dot that I use as last here. Then what can you do now? You just need to concatenate it and just say and, which is this ampersand, and I will need to introduce dot in front of it back like this. I press enter button and everything is fine now. If I autofill it down now, you can see what we have. You can see we have the same result. Okay, even if anything change from this name, it's going to change automatically as well. You can see that Excel can do it for you if you can think of it. Okay, till next time we meet, hi, Ibrahim Babatunde for Dynamic Analytics. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel and therefore to do so, that is only price you can pay for this. Bye for now.